So the process to add a manager on YouTube channel is quite easy and simple. Simply go to the studio, and once you are inside the studio, at the left bottom you can see settings. Go and click on settings. This should open up this menu. And once the menu is open, on the left side, you can see a lot of options. The one is permissions. So once you see the permissions, go and click on permissions. Now here you have name and roles of people that are involved with your channel. And if you want to make a manager, you need to go and click on invite here. So this button, invite. Now here you have to enter the email of the user that you want to invite. And once you have entered the email, now you can have an access to that person. And there are multiple levels of access. The one is manager that can see and manage everything, go live, create, edit, and delete content. The other is editor, can view the thing, go live, and create and edit content, but cannot manage permissions to delete your content. Editor is more limited, and then you have subtitle editor, viewer, and viewer limited. So you have all these options. Just go and select whatever you want. If you want the manager with all the permissions, including delete, just go and click on that. And once the email is valid, the done option will be here. Just go and click on done, and the person will get an email invite. And once he clicks on that, he will be able to access your channel. So hope this video has helped you out to add a manager to your YouTube channel. But before you go, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.